Hello friends, I Sri Vardhan welcome you to our new video. You can contact us through our website, that is missiontathastu.com, or even write a comment or contact us through our email as well for any type of queries and consultations related to palmistry and astrology. So in this video we will be discussing the reasons that people don't get success in their business, the palmistry reasons basically. So let's get started with it. Basically, when somebody comes to you or when you are looking at somebody's palm, the palm shape is very important in palmistry. Okay, as well as in this subject also, like success in business, any shape which is not a square shaped palm, okay, it could be narrow palm or any other form, okay, so this is not suitable for a business because a square palm gives you a balanced approach in everything. So the first thing that you have to look around in the palm is the shape, that the person must have a square palm. Okay, then the signs and lines and mounts are the other things which are not that important, but we will consider those also. But a square palm definitely gets you success in any sort of business venture or any sort of business. Okay, so it is very much important. A narrow palm makes you a daydreamer. Okay, so it shouldn't be a narrow palm, it should be a square palm. Okay, so now we come to the mounts. Basically there are two mounts, that is Jupiter, which is directly below the index finger. Okay, so this is the Jupiter mount and this is the Mercury mount. While you are calculating the business success part, Mercury mount is more important than the Jupiter, but we have to consider Jupiter also. There could be some good signs on the Jupiter which could support the Mercury mount. Now what is this Mercury mount is all about? The Mercury mount is just below the little finger. This is the area. Any sort of sign, auspicious sign, especially a triangle or a line, a vertical line or a triangle, is said to be really very auspicious for any sort of business success. So this is the one thing that we have to consider under the Mercury mount. First, this Jupiter mount. Second is this Mercury mount. And on Mercury mount, if there are signs like triangle or a vertical line, it is said to be more auspicious. In any mount, if we have to calculate, we calculate three aspects of it: finger, mount, and the line. If the finger, if you will see, the topmost flung of this finger is above this line of sun finger. This is my sun finger, and if this finger is little above this line of the sun finger, then it is said to be a good sign. Then the finger length is also good. If it is below it, then that is a negative point, but then we have to see the other aspects. Okay, so finger, mount as we have said, that auspicious sign. Finger length, the length should be good, it shouldn't be deformed, or when you will see the hand, you will find certain hands, this finger is like deformed, or it is like present outside the palm, tilted somewhere like this. So it is not said to be an auspicious sign. Okay, so a length should be good of Mercury finger. Then there is mount. Then there is line. That is Mercury line. It is said to be a health line also, but it is equally supported. It equally supports the business aspect of the person. Okay, so the business Mercury line, the mount with certain type of auspicious signs, and the finger length. These are the three aspects that we have to look into the palm to get the exact status of business success in that hand. Okay, so till now we have discussed about Jupiter mount. This is the Mercury mount, finger and line. Now the next concept comes the thumb, the angle of the thumb. If this angle of the thumb is more than 90 degree, then it makes a person more flexible and reckless, which is not good for the business. The person should be very much rigid on certain things when it comes to the business. So a 90 degree of the thumb is attached here with the palm at 90 degree. This is said to be a balanced approach when it comes to the business thing. So this is a good sign that you are having a 90 degree. Below than this is also extreme scenario, and if your thumb goes beyond 90 degree, so it is not said to be a good thing, that you are flexible. People can mold you anywhere and according to their own preferences, so it is not good for your business. Okay, so these are the certain things that we have discussed. Now comes when person opens the palm or opens the fingers like this. Okay, the gap of the Surya finger, that is sun finger, and the Shani finger should be less than the index finger and the little finger. Okay, I'm just repeating. This gap, okay, should be less than this gap and this gap. Okay, the gap between index finger and the Saturn finger and the gap between Surya finger and the Mercury finger should be more than the gap between the Saturn finger and the Sun finger. Okay, so this gap you have to, like you can see in my palm, so it is just like that. So it is an ideal condition. Okay, it is one of the condition which makes you kind of inclined toward business and inclined toward entrepreneurship. So it is one of that condition. Okay, so today in this video we have discussed so far the indication which are very much necessary for anyone to succeed in business, and if any of those are not there, then you can consult the palmist or take these suitable solutions, and you can get these aspects more strengthened in your palm so that you don't get a failure in your business. Okay, so here we will be ending the video. I hope you have liked it, and you must share it, and we will be back with more information and more learning videos on palmistry. Thank you.